My name's Greg Jones with Innovative Access. We're at Flagstone Ranch right now. What we have is a situation where we put in a RFID reader, and it's on the right side of the entry lane. What we did is we put a SureFi module in here. The reason why we did it is because we don't have access to put hardwire from the phone to the RFID reader. So by doing the SureFi, this is very cost effective, and it's 100% workability. It works. We do this quite a bit. But what it's doing is it's sending data from the RFID reader over to the phone in order to grant access through the gates. Installation time is probably an hour at best. It's pretty easy. SureFi is pretty easy to put in. It just requires power at the remote and power at the receiving, and then data wires from your controller, and that's it. That's all it takes.